Hey team, welcome to Facts and Firearms. I'm Mas Ayub, and the topic I've been asked to address today is the tactical reload. Shots have been fired, you think the problem is solved, but having had to fire for real, you're highly concerned that it may happen again if the situation revives. You've got a partially depleted gun, and you'd be a whole lot more comfortable having a loaded one, but you don't want to throw away the rounds that are still in that gun in case a second chapter of this whole thing evolves. So it's basically what we'd recommend would be this. Last shot's been fired. We're starting with our finger on the trigger because we just fired the last shot. Habituate yourself to do that. Habituate yourself to get that finger off the damn trigger before you do anything else. Now get your hand on the fresh mag and bring it up just like you would for a speed reload. Turn the hands together a little bit like this and watch my support hand. As I start coming under the gun butt, I'm keeping the gun on the threat, presuming it's still around in the chamber. Now this thumb comes out like this. Thumb and index finger, as I hit the mag release, are going to catch the fresh mag, insert the new mag. Catching the old mag, insert the new mag. Now watch my hand. I roll those fingers out of the way so they don't block the insertion, and the new mag is in. Now back to the threat. Why do we go back to the threat? Because the sound you just heard, one magazine going out, one going in, I just sent a wounded rabbit call to the coyotes. They just heard, uh-oh, he's either got a jammed gun or he's reloading. This is our chance. If they respond to that, I want my gun up and ready, not down somewhere around my waistband or going back in my holster. So again, what we're looking for would be this. We'll head out on the range, and what we're going to do from there is we're also, in this series, going to include wounded defender reloads with dominant hand only and non-dominant hand only. Okay, tactical reload. Glock 19, Gen 5. It's been modified by flipping the mag release to this side so the elderly cripple with the arthritic thumb can use his trigger finger instead. We think there's been a lull in the action. We're going to start with our finger on the trigger so we can habituate to get it off. We'll do a tactical reload, and at the beep, we'll perform the tactical reload, and then we'll assume the threat has revived, and I'll fire a shot. That will also give us a good idea how long it all took. Okay, the extended Glock 17 mag is in the gun. Elapsed time was 3.29 seconds. I expect you younger people with more functional fingers are going to be able to do it better with a bit of practice. Good luck. See you down the road.